Hi, hello, welcome back, my YouTube fellow friends. Today I have a brand new video for you guys. Many of you guys buy KTM, sports bike, cars edition, or super sports bikes, they don't come with center stand. So we have to buy this rare paddock stand. So a few months back, I was searching for a good rare paddock stand and affordable paddock stand. So I came across this company called Grand Pitstop. They make amazing quality products. So I just ordered this orange dismantlable rare paddock stand. Before jumping onto this, let us unbox and combine it. That was a good cinematic view of this rare paddock stand. So, if you guys ask what is the advantage of this? So, the quality is great. It fits from KTM till Hayabusa. It is universal paddock stand. So, whenever if you guys buy or you guys upgrade your bike from 200cc to 1000cc, this paddock stand gonna fit that. And as usual, it's dismantlable. It is very portable. If you guys wanna carry it somewhere else. If you guys love this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave the link below in the description to check it out.